we're back.
I didn't even get to say what's up.
What's up, YouTube? We're back. That's what you say.
Listen, it's too early to start the nonsense.
We're not starting.
It's too early.
That's normally how it goes.
No. You say, hey chefs and chefs.
No, you're not even saying that.
I say, what's up, YouTube? And then we're back. Let's try it.
You want to say we're back together?
Fine.
Fine, whatever.
Whatever.
Hey, chef and chefettes!
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
You didn't tell me to say that.
You don't have to say that.
Okay.
I say that.
Yeah?
You say what you want. I say what I want.
You gonna make me start drinking early.
Go ahead, Alki. No one's stopping you. Back with another video, baby! Back, 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 back. Back, 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 back.
So, today, guys, we'll be making... What? Get out of here. They don't want to see... This is not a dancing YouTube. This is a cooking YouTube. Comment, because they be seeing all the tutu splat you be doing it. Anyway, guys, we have something great for you today. Not him, I should say me, because he's over here dancing. He got some dance moves for you guys today. All right? Me, I have some banging chicken wings for you guys. Delicious. Better than the last one we dropped for you. Yes?
I don't like that introduction.
You don't?
No, I don't like it.
Nobody like this. Nobody likes. Nobody. Yes, nobody likes that. Nobody. They came to see food. How we throw down in the kitchen. They don't want to pop lop and all this stuff. What were you saying? Oh, who's the Alki? Yeah.
You make me drink.
Yeah. So back to what I was saying.
Since you guys liked our last chicken wing video, that honey garlic chicken wings, we decided to do another chicken wing video for you. Oh, that drink was good.
This is gonna be the longest introduction ever. Good thing you guys like to chill with us and talk and hang out.
What?
No,
good.
I'm talking to our peoples.
Can you start?
So,
all right, so
we're not starting over.
Start the video.
No.
Tell them what we gonna make, so we can start the cooking.
You get on my blast, man.
Tell them what we gonna make, so we can start cooking.
When y'all like us, like when you comment below, I want you guys to just put the emoji hands like this and just pray for me for having to deal with this Alki 24/7. So today, guys, we're going to make some lemon pepper chicken wings for you guys.
Woo!
All right, and it's going to be just
Wait,
as good.
I didn't hear you. What you said we making? Lemon
Pepper wingettes.
Chicken wing! Chicken wing. So when we come back, we gonna show y'all how to make lemon pepper chicken wings. And it's about to go
down.
and chefettes. I'm back. Let me let y'all know what I'm having. Tonight I'm having a Chardonnay.
Called what?
Chardonnay.
Can you tell them what it's called?
It's a Chardonnay.
Tell them what it's called.
It's a sweet,
say it,
smooth red wine. Chardonnay.
What is it called?
So, anyways, back to the ingredients. Let me tell you guys the ingredients that we need to make. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. To make these, what are we making again? What the hell?
Lemon pepper chicken wings.
Lemon pepper chicken wings. Let me tell you all the ingredients to make these lemon pepper chicken wings. So you're gonna need your lemon pepper. Obviously, you can't have lemon pepper chicken wings without lemon pepper, right? You're gonna need some. I don't want to do this. You know what? I don't want to do this. I think I quit.
You can't.
All right. So you're gonna need flour. You're gonna need lemon pepper. We have onion powder, garlic powder, Trinidad green seasoning. You don't have to use green seasoning, but we're gonna get back to that. Cayenne pepper. You need an egg or two. You need lemon. You need flour, and you need your chicken wings. So here we have our chicken wings that we already seasoned for about 2 hours. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is if you have your chicken wings, you want to season it and let it sit for about 2 hours. We seasoned our chicken wings with this Trinity green seasoning we made a couple of videos ago. So if you haven't made it, then go make it. But if you don't want to make it in an alternative to the green seasoning, you can season your wings with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and a little sazon. So that's your alternative if you don't have the green seasoning. Ours, we season with only green seasoning, cayenne pepper, oh I forgot, and salt. So that's what we use, but like I said, you have your alternative. The egg, we're gonna break this egg, because that's gonna be used to dip the wings in, and then dip it in the flour. In your flour, you're gonna put the similar ingredients. In the flour, you're gonna put your salt, your black pepper, your lemon pepper, your onion powder, and your garlic powder in your flour, and that's what you're gonna dip the chicken in after you roll it around in eggs. All right? So that's my ingredients. Hold on. So when we come back, I'm gonna show you guys the next step. I'm out.
Hey guys, I'm back, and we're up to the next step, which is frying our delicious lemon pepper chicken wings. All right, so here I got the flour and the seasoning.
Did you do your hair?
I did, because I got that bun and some BDs, and that thing look crazy.
BDBs.
And I ain't want you guys to comment below.
All right, like, Pam.
Yep, that is exactly what I
All right, Pam.
Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Why didn't you guys tell me?
Oh.
Why didn't you tell me?
Who, me?
Yeah.
It's a comedy channel.
Bro, it looked like bad.
It looked like buckwheat.
Yo.
You definitely look like buckwheat.
It was so bad.
I thought you was black. You had like a mini fro on the back of your neck.
They didn't see my baby, so.
You had
what you are.
You had a mini afro on the back of your neck.
It would have given it away. Like.
I'm gonna put a screenshot of that afro in this video. I definitely will. Definitely will.
And I'm gonna put a picture of a kangaroo right next to yours. Jumping like.
Alright, that's fine with me. That's fine with me.
Alright guys, so what I did was I mixed all the seasoning that we put on top of this flour. Alright, so every single piece of chicken will get in there. I'm going to take each chicken wing, dip it in egg. Alright. And then we're gonna dip it in the flour, like so. Let me put it over here so you can see it. Can you see this?
I can see you. I can see you.
So you checking me out? Come back home right here. Don't be trying to play me. Don't be trying to play me. Pay attention to my video.
Oh shoot, sorry. I dozed off.
I see that.
I dozed off. I'm tired.
Tired of what? Cooking? What you tired from? What you do all day? What you do?
A-E-I-O. Do you know your vowels?
Alright guys, so while I'm doing this, I already have some oil in this pan right next to me. Ooh! Why didn't you tell me I didn't dip this one?
Man. I don't even know how you got this job. I thought we fired you about 9 videos ago.
Can't fire the chef.
We have 2 chefs.
Can't fire.
I'm the popular one.
Can't. No.
I'm the one they like.
No.
I am the one they like.
Listen.
You guys comment below. Comment below.
You just be dancing like a fool.
I'm the one they like. They come here to our channel to see
to
moi.
See you act like a fool.
To see me.
They come to see what I'm cooking. What we're cooking.
No. They come to see me.
Yeah.
You didn't know I'm a movie star? I was walking down the street last week and somebody asked me for my autograph.
Shut the hell up.
Oh,
Shut up.
Ooh,
Shut your face.
Oh, shoot.
Shut it right now.
I kid you not. I was walking down the Ave and some dude said, "Yo, you Chef Trini. Can I get your autograph?"
Nobody ever said he was dreaming.
And then he asked me for a picture.
Oh, so it went from autograph
and
to picture.
Both of them.
Did he ask you what size your underwear is too?
Already, you want to know the color of my jacket too?
Anything else?
You gone too far.
Anything else?
You gone too far.
Bro.
Really? My underwear?
Your pants?
My underwear?
Your hat?
Really?
Really?
He asked for a picture and an autograph.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna shout him out right here.
Please.
His name was Miguelito Panchito the Third.
The third?
Yeah.
Was he with the fourth and junior?
No. He had on a sombrero, some cowboy boots,
Did he look like a
and a fanny pack. Yep. Miguelito Panchito the Third.
Where did you see Miguelito?
On the corner.
Off what street?
None of your business.
What corner were you at?
None of your business.
I need to know.
No.
Yeah, I need to know.
He asked for my autograph.
As a spouse, I need to know.
You ain't got no nothing.
I need to know.
That does not concern you. You just want to go harass my fans. And
bro.
He said he was my #1 fan. He watches all my videos. He likes, subscribes, and comments. He had a Corona. How did you know? He did it. He had a Corona in his hand. He said something about la migra. And then he ran.
What's that mean?
I don't know. He said la migra. And then he just ran. But he still asked my autograph and a picture. Yeah. Miguelito Panchito the Third.
Did you get his picture?
No, he took my picture.
You want to know where you're going on Sunday?
Not to church with you.
Yeah, you're going to church. We're going to church.
No,
you have math.
No, you're going to church.
And you need to ask for forgiveness for lying.
No.
Out your whole face.
I'm not lying.
You are lying.
You're just a hater.
I'm not a hater.
So how's that food going?
Going better than your lives.
I'm not lying. He asked my autograph. You're just jealous.
Chef and Chefette, don't listen to his nonsense.
Chef and Chefette, 2 hours later. What are you doing over there?
Guys,
we're falling asleep.
Because you fall asleep from your boring life story.
I'm telling the truth.
Guys, we're taking this chicken that you just saw me bread, okay, and we're putting it in the hot oil, all right? And we're gonna cook this until it's nice and golden, flip it, and add some more. And when we come back, we're gonna show you what it looks like. So stay tuned and we'll be back.
Hey, chefs and chefettes. We are back. Our wings are done frying. So let me show you the last couple steps. What you looking at me like that for?
Is that part of the stuff?
It sure is. Make sure you got yourself something to drink when you cooking with your wife, because they can be a pain in the butt. I needed it.
I hear you.
I needed it. All right, guys. So for the last step, I took 2 tablespoons of butters and melted it in the microwave for about a minute. Can you see it? All right.
I see it.
So I took 2 tablespoons of butter, melted it in the microwave for 1 minute. Next, I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper into the butter. And I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper into the butter. It's not coming out. Go on here, Ross. Why my scenes always getting hamburger and mess up? Things barely come out. Alright, so I added about 1 teaspoon. This is a little baby spoon, so I put 2 of this. But about 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper into your melted butter. You're gonna mix it around, guys. Come close, come close. I want you to see what it looks like. Y'all see that? That is the butter.
We see that chicken too.
Alright, slow your roll. Slow your roll, hungry. Slow your roll, hungry. So that is 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper and black pepper in 2 tablespoons of butter. And last step, you're gonna take your mixture, your butter mixture, and you're gonna brush it on your wings. Watch. See that? You guys see that?
We see it.
And there you have it.
Let's get a closer look, guys.
Yeah, come close, guys, come close. Now you just add as much as you want. This right here, you do to taste. If you want it moist, you add a lot. If you don't want it moist, you add a little. You see that? All right, guys. So here you have it. These are our delicious, flavorful, lemony, fresh. What are you doing? Why your finger in my scene?
That one looked like it was already glazed.
It's fine. He fine. He good. He good.
He good?
He not
He doesn't know if I don't taste it. Just a little bit.
Hey, get your contact machine. Nah, he's good. He's good. He's alright. He's alright. See that, guys? See the black pepper, the lemon pepper, and the butter glazing the chicken. You see it first. You see how it looks so delicious? Alright, guys. Now, if you want to flip it, you can flip it, but you don't have to because the flavors is going to drip down to the other side. That's it. Here you have it. Our lemon pepper chicken wings. And I'm out.
Hey, guys.
Hey, chefs and chefettes. We are back with the finished product. Oh, sorry. Oh, what the?
Oh my God. Guys, while he's getting his life together, let me show you what the finished product looks like.
Yeah, I made a mess.
Look at this lemon and pepper chicken.
Lemon pepper wings. Them things looking good. Woo!
It smells banging.
And I'm sure it tastes good, guys. So make sure if y'all like our recipe, y'all comment, subscribe, and like our videos. That's it.
And let us know if you make it.
Ooh. I'm just going.
You don't even want to talk to me anymore. You just want to eat it.
Oh, I'm just gonna taste one. I'm gonna let y'all know first perspective, first hand, how this lemon pepper.
Kool-Aid. Looking good. It's juicy. Oh my God, it's so good. Guys, you don't even have to flip it and butter it on both sides because, like he said, it'll drip right through, and it tastes so good.
It's good.
I'm changing the
You guys,
side of my bed.
Guys, make this recipe. Take my word for it. Yo, y'all need to make this.
It's so good.
Now, how many wings you put in your mouth?
Don't worry about me.
I didn't know your mouth open that big. What the hell? Is that 3 wings in there?
You knew it could open that big.
Alright, guys. That's it. So if y'all like this recipe, man, no, y'all will like this recipe. Go make this recipe. That's it. We out. We ain't got nothing else to say. About to tear up these, about to F up these wings. Alright?
Alright, guys. Till next time, like, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you next time.
We out.
Bye.